Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have TOZO OpenEgo wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device or your phone, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if one of the earbuds, the left one or the right one, is not working and you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you decide you just want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off them, all the pairing history, so that you can get a fresh start. We can do this. It's really easy to do. You just need to have them on and in pairing mode, which means not paired. So the best thing to do is just to turn the Bluetooth off on your devices and just go ahead and delete these earphones off of them before you start this. And then so you're gonna have your earphones on and in pairing mode, and then on either of these earbuds, it doesn't matter. You're just gonna come in and tap the back button 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what'll happen is if this works properly, if those 6 were taken in properly, the white indicator light will blink rapidly 6 times, and then it will go solid red for a second, and then turn off. And then that means that the reset is complete. They'll actually automatically turn back on, and if they don't, you can just turn them back on. But once you do that, they'll go back into pairing, and you can just set them up as a new set of earbuds.